Welcome to English Composition. Introduction to Unit 1, The Foundation for Strong Academic Writing, Part 1. Composition. What does that word even mean? One definition is the way something is composed. And compose means to form something by putting pieces together. Okay, so English composition would be how to put words together to create meaning. There are many ways to put words together. You can send a text, you can write an email, or you could even write an old-fashioned letter by hand. In this course, we will focus our energy on building academic writing skills, specifically writing academic essays with an introduction paragraph, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. You may be wondering why college students are required to take a course where all they do is write essays. Well, composing a well-written essay requires planning, critical thinking to draw conclusions, and an ability to recognize how to connect with your reader. When you learn to write well in college, you will continue to write well in the workplace. Employees are not taken seriously if their writing is difficult to understand, is too casual, or is full of errors. On the other hand, you can work towards a future as a successful professional who is able to compose emails, announcements, social media posts, and so on that make a positive impact on your career. Think of this course as an exercise before the big game. You can't expect to be successful without coaching and practice. So, what will you be doing in Unit 1? The first IntelliPath lesson topics you will work on include how to be successful in a 10-week composition course at AIU, recognizing characteristics of good writing, how to overcome writing anxiety, thesis statements and how they function in an essay, and an introduction to the basic 5-paragraph essay structure. You will also complete a discussion board assignment for this unit. The conversation with your peers will center around your motivations, how your background has shaped who you are as a person, and what has brought you to AIU. The time and effort you spend writing your main post and your replies to your classmates will apply towards your Unit 2 individual project. Your online discussion this week is actually a pre-writing exercise for your first essay that will be due in Unit 2. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Use this first week to complete some of your IntelliPath lessons, to reflect on your background and your motivations, and to have an interesting and engaging online discussion. So, andiamo, vámonos, so bye, let's go, it's time to get started.